how to make decals in Roblox. So first what you want to do is just go to the Roblox website. Once you're there, just simply click on the create button on the navigation bar at the top. Wait for it to load. Then go to dashboard right here. Once you're on your dashboard, just simply click on development items. Once you're there, just go to decals. And as you can see, you can now upload assets right here. Just simply click on that. And just make sure that your format is on JPEG, PNG, TGA, and BMP. And decal uploads must be smaller than 8000 by 8000 and will be downsized if larger than 1024 by 1024. So max size per file is 20 megabytes. And image will be visible to others after moderation. So just click on upload right here. So I have my file right here. I'm just going to simply click on it and open it. Once it's there, we're just simply going to name it Happy Birthday. Just like so. And you could also put a description. And once you're done with all that, just simply click on the upload button right here. So once it's done, it's just going to load up right here. As you can see, the happy birthday or the PNG that I uploaded is now right here. You can now click on that to configure it if you want. You could also add a link. You could distribute it to the store. So now I went to the Roblox website and went to my inventory to decals. And as you can see, the one that I made is right here. And when I click on it, it will just redirect me right there. You'd also get the ID of it just by going to the URL here at the top. As you can see, there's a bunch of numbers. You just simply need to copy that. And that's basically the decal ID. And that's how you basically upload decals in Roblox.